Welcome to Monet Art with Miss Rennu. Today we're going to learn what's called stick art, and we're going to make a funny alien or a monster. I like to call him an alien and not a monster. So the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to take a sheet of paper, and you can either take one that's already yellow or you can paint it yellow. I love yellow because it really shows up all the other colors. So now let's go ahead and begin. So I've taken my glitter jar here because I want a perfect round shape, and I'm going to place it right here in the middle, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw the body of the alien. Okay, so you can do the same. You can use any round container and you can draw it any particular size that you want. Actually draw the legs and the sticks, which are the stick. It's called stick art. So the legs. So I'm going to use my ruler and we'll start over here, and you can draw this any which way you want. Draw one line going that way, okay, and then it's going to be a little ball, round ball over there, as you can see. Let me make sure you can zoom in and see what I'm doing. Okay, zoom this in so you can see a sample of what I'm doing. And then we'll draw another line here, and we'll put another round blob over there. And since it's an alien, we're going to make him look a little funny. We can do one line over here, we can do another blob over there, and then maybe an odd one coming this way. So you can do it any which way you want, any which way you want. So that's what I've done for this one. So let's go ahead and do his other foot. So do another line this way, and I'm going to this time draw this lines like this. I'm going to do a blob over there and a blob over there. Oops, sorry. Now I'm doing the lower foot. Okay, and I'm going to take another two lines this way. Again, it's just got to be funny and different. So put a blob there and a blob there. Okay, now let's go ahead and do his other back legs. We're going to do 4 of these. So this one I'm going to do a little different. Do it this way, and maybe add the lines like this. Put a blob there, a blob here. Maybe we'll have this angle this way. This is called stick art. Really very easy to do. Let's bring this down over here, and let's draw his last back leg over there. Put a blob there, a blob there. Let's make it a little interesting. Let's have it branch out this way. One short and one long. There we go. So that is your, let me zoom back so you can see the whole picture. That's our stick art. And now of course we're going to paint it, but let's go ahead and figure out where we're going to be putting his eyes. I think we'll put his eyes right here. And we'll put another one right over there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and paint this. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our Sharpie, our black Sharpie for the feet, for the lines. So go over your lines with the black Sharpie, because to do paint with this, it might ruin the lines. So just let's use the black Sharpie and outline all the stick art. Do this very carefully. It has to be very neat. There we go. Now let's do the body very carefully. Then we'll paint the inside. All right. Okay, now let's go ahead and paint it. I've decided I'm going to paint my alien a blue color. I think he'd look really cool with either blue or purple actually. Maybe I'll do a purple. I think I'll go with a purple this time. So let's go ahead and get a purple paint, and we're going to be painting only his body and the little blobs, the little round blobs that we've drawn. See, this is the body. You're probably going to have to do a couple of coats of it. So this is one coat. This one seems to have come out really nice. I might not need another one over here. And then take a thinner brush or even a Q-tip, and then you're going to do the little round balls like this. All right, So you can go a little out of the lines that you've drawn if you like, or you can do a Q-tip. I'm going to show you both. With a Q-tip, sometimes it's a little easier. See that? You can paint with a Q-tip much easier. Get a perfect round shape. So go ahead and do your picture and we'll catch up in a few minutes. Okay friends, as you can see, I finished my picture. I'm sure you have too. And now what we want to do is we want to make sure that all the lines are good. I'm going to draw the outer, touch up the outer part of the alien's body one more time with my black Sharpie because I really want that to stand out. Okay, so this is what I'm doing and you need to do the same. Gonna do the eyes as well, and we're about to stick on the googly eyes as well. Oops, smudged my picture. So if you smudge your picture, what you do is you fix it right away with the yellow paint that you have, right? Really simple. So go back and touch up with the yellow paint. Okay, I fixed my little mistake over there, that's okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add the googly eyes. So I've decided I've got pink eyes for my little guy over here. So I'm going to go ahead and put the glue right there. Put a little bit of glue over there. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and give my alien pink eyes. Pink and purple go really nice. There we go. See that? Now what I want to do is I want to make my alien as a little girl, so I'm going to give her some lashes. So right above this, I'm just taking my black Sharpie and I've drawn some little lashes over there. And now I want to add some movement, make it look like my alien is moving. So you add a little bit of movement with your black Sharpie. Now what you want to do is that it'll be nice if we add a little bit of glitter to the little feet. The ends of the feet, it'll just really show up. So I've taken some pink glitter to match the eyes and I'm going ahead and I'm just spreading glitter in little circular motions right into the blobs. And you don't have to do this if you don't want to. I've decided to do this because my alien is a little girl. That's what I've decided to make, is a little pink alien, pink and purple alien. And you can see that the pink glitter really adds a little bit of dimension to the picture. How the glitter changes the whole look. And we want to add the fact that the alien is in space. I'm going to add a little bit of glitter in the background. I'm going to just spread it this way. See that? It just looks like she's in space. Just finishes off the picture. There you go. You have your stick art alien. I hope you enjoyed that.